Hello, this is Peter Gino speaking, and we are working this time on Q Africa. Here we are on the website, and you see above qhealthafrica.com. There you have the member login. You take your username, and you need a password. Then you're in the Q of Africa. You scroll down so that you get to the region where you put in your symptoms. You should at least put 3 symptoms in there because this is the only possibility to get a right Q. And if you use symptoms that are different from another, then you have the best choice. So here we have headache. But this is not only headache, it's a headache that comes with stress. And the stress in this time comes from a bad job. So you have put in headache, stress, and looking for a new job. And therefore you need this Q. And it will come to you so that you find a new job, you have less stress, and you have less headache. You click on this red button, Help for Your Health. Then you scroll down to the payment method. You have M-Pesa or PayPal. So you have to choose. Then you click on Continue. Then you are inside where you get your Q. Then you click on Order. Finally, you click on Show My Q. And then you run your Q. After this, you just have to watch and get healthy again. That's all. Thank you. Bye. Till later.